Hey, welcome back to another weekly wealth walk. I'm Jerry Fetta, CEO and founder of Wealth Dynamics. I'm going to give you an update of what I am doing this week to further my wealth building. Stay tuned. So I do these every week because there's so many gurus and influencers and people out there who are just full of nonsense when it comes to finances. They're not practicing what they preach. They're doing stuff that doesn't actually work in the real world. It's all theory. And so I want to share with you that I actually do the things I'm talking about, right? And so one of the things that I'm focused on right now, I want to share with you guys is something all of you can do, right? And this is a way that you can get money, you can find money that is owed to you. And I hope you do. I'm going to actually share my screen. I'm just going to share with you what I'm doing here today, and you can follow along. You can do this on your own. And if you get money out of this, okay, first thing I want you to do, buy my book, right? Because it's going to teach you what to do with the money. Now, the book is free. You cover the shipping and handling. I actually lose money on these when we ship these out to you, but I want you to invest in your financial education. If you already got the book, if you get some money and you've been thinking about doing one of my programs or investing with my team, to build passive income, to become your own banker, use some of the money for that, right? But this is my gift to you today. So let's check this out. Next, I don't want to interrupt you too long. I just want to give you a free offer for my book, The Blueprint to Financial Freedom. If you go to jerryfetta.com/B2F promo, you can get the book now. I'm going to let you get back to the video. So first things first, let me share my screen. So I want you to go to missingmoney.com. Missingmoney.com, right? So if you go to missingmoney.com, so what is this? This is the official unclaimed property website of the National Association of State Treasurers. US state governments and several Canadian provinces have a partnership where they basically, if you are owed money, if someone wrote you a check and you didn't receive it and it was never claimed, right? It goes to the state treasury and they actually hold it for you there. And if you go search your name or your business, you might find that you're owed money. Right? So here's what you would do. I'm gonna actually do this with my own here. So type in my last name, Fetta, first name, Jeremiah. Search this up. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, check this out. I've got a couple of things. Now, my name is not Jerome, so we know those aren't mine, but we got a couple at the top. I wanna see if there's any other ones. Yeah, so we've got three. We've got a life insurance check, $25 to $50. Carl's Jewelers and Gifts Pawn, under $25. Amazon owes me under $25, right? So I've got $75 to $100 right there. Now here's the beauty of this. This took me what, 4 seconds, right? It was very fast for me to do this and find this. If I want to claim these, I would click claim, right? I'm not going to do the whole claims process right here with you guys, but if I wanted to, I'd hit claim and I'd click view and then I would fill these out, right? I'm the owner of each of these. Boom. File the claim, and then I would fill out my personal information so that the state treasury offices for each of these could get in touch with me, right? So that would be something I'd look at. Now, the other thing I can do, I'm going to go back here, is I can actually look up my business as well. So let's check out Wealth Dynamics. Okay, Wealth Dynamics right here at the top. Office Depot owes me $100 or more, right? So between, what was it, Amazon, between the Primerica check, the life insurance check, Carl's Pawn Shop, I don't even remember that or who that is, but okay. And then we've got Office Depot. I've probably got $200 or $300 here, right? And I'm pretty good about making sure money gets to me when it's owed. So it's not like I'm somebody that has a lot of loose ends out there. But you know, let's say I was somebody where I wasn't tracking this often. You might find thousands of dollars, right? You might find there's $3,000, $4,000 or a couple $100. But here's the beauty: is this was such a quick thing to do. Didn't take a lot of time, right? So I want to recommend you do this. And the reason why is, guys, this is money that can come into your economy. You should be putting this to work in your sacred accounts. You should be paying off debt with it. You should be investing. And for some of us, we're working hard, and this might just be the win you've been looking for. You've been watching, you've been training, you've been reading, and it's like, man, when am I going to get my break? Sometimes this can be your break, right? It's never a bad thing to find you have $200 or $300 that you didn't know about. And I didn't know that today going into this, that I was going to find that, right? So I looked, it's there. I'm going to claim those checks. I'm going to get the money in. And this is something I would check probably once a year, just because you never know. You never know what's going to pop up. You never know where there might be money laying around out there for you. So guys, again, it's missingmoney.com. My deal with you, because I showed you this today, the deal is if you have money, like if I was not me, I would buy my book with some of that money. I've got 25 bucks from Carl's Pawn Shop. Carl's Pawn Shop is going to purchase the book for me. Hey, what's up? Jerry here. I just wanted to give you another reminder. Grab my book, Blueprint to Financial Freedom. It's going to be one of the best books you have ever read on finance. I can promise you that. You're going to love it. It's also a free offer. So if you go to jerryfetta.com/B2F promo, you can get that now, right? The second thing is you can do our Big 3 Challenge membership for a couple $100s. It's not that expensive. The purpose of that is to help you make even more money. So if watching my video helped you make money today, if that was considered to be an investment, you would reinvest back into the thing that did what? That made you money. So doing programs, doing training, doing things that are going to help you raise your financial IQ. Final thing, this is the power of financial knowledge. If you didn't know about missingmoney.com before today, you go on the website, you found money today because of this new knowledge. One piece of information brought in how much money for you today, right? Now, one missing piece of information, had you not known about this, would have costed you the same amount or more, because if you're going to invest that, it would have turned into something in the future. This is a perfect example of why it's so important to understand finances, to be financially literate, right? So guys, thank you for watching. I know this was a quick wealth walk, but that's what I did this week. That's what I want you to do this week as well. Find out how much there is. Drop in the comments. I want to know if I helped you get some money today. So drop in the comments how much you got, how much you found, and I want to know about that. Have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Hey, this is Jerry Fetta here. I want to thank you for watching my video, watching my content. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to learn more about the Blueprint to Financial Freedom and how you can achieve passive income that exceeds your savings, your expenses, your taxes, your generosity, and build wealth like the top 1%, I want to encourage you, grab a copy of my book, The Blueprint to Financial Freedom. You can go to jerryfetta.com/B2F promo, or you can click the link in the description of the video here. The copy is free. You cover your shipping. We'll send the book out to you, and we'll send you an email with a bunch of great bonus material also for free. Get the book, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next content.